If you have been posting on social media and it looks like you have been posting to walls or you have been talking to bricks, come, we need to talk.
Oh my God! Wow!
Because the number one reason why your content is looking like it's on life support is because of you. Okay. Don't panic. It is not you. It is your inconsistency. Now, the algorithm treats inconsistency like that your ex that has refused to text you back.
Okay.
What is going on? Today, you will post up to 5 videos. Tomorrow, you ghost. You are nowhere to be found. Till after 1 month, you come back and post again. And then you wonder why your engagement is lower than my phone battery at 2%. Now, here is the truth. Social media rewards those that show up daily, that show up consistent, not the one who posts once, disappear, come back anytime they feel like. Here is the solution. Make sure you are consistent. Just be consistent. Show consistency in your post. Now, how can you do that? Step 1. Batch create content. Now, how do you batch create? Make sure you set a day apart where you create all your content, everything you can do. Just create it in one day. Then you take your time to edit it one after the other. So by so doing, you have enough content to post. Step 2, use a content calendar. Now, a lot of people don't see this as important. Now, to me, it's very, very important because content calendar will help you know exactly what to post day in, day out. Step 3, engage. Now, this is underrated. Now, you cannot just post your videos and don't engage with your audience. How possible is that? It's just like you and that your ex. The time you people had problem, you know that when you are in good terms, you normally engage, you talk to each other, but now you have issues. This one doesn't want to call this one doesn't want to call this one. So that is how it works. So are you guilty of inconsistency? Talk to me. Just drop it on the comment section. Nothing will happen. I just want to know. Like, I used to be there. All right. So just drop it on the comment section. Let's know ourselves. If you found this helpful, make sure to because I am here to make sure you get it right. So remember, the algorithm is watching. If you leave this video without liking and without commenting, algorithm is looking at you. If your branding is good enough, even your ex will notice it.